Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 8, and today I will show you how to record screen on this device. So, to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel and look for the screen recorder, which for me is in the corner right here. So once you find it, simply tap on it and select enable. Now you could also go into the settings and customize how it works, but I'm not going to go over this right now. Select agree. Gives us also a start and stop recording by basically knocking on the screen. So just like put OK. We'll also have a 3-second countdown. OK. So it automatically starts, as you can see. And whatever you will do right now will be recorded. Now let's see if I can stop it. And it looks like it did stop. Okay, so now all we need to do is go into the gallery, and as you can see, there is the screen recording. It is located in a screenshots album, so if you go back you can see there is a screenshot, and there is also a video recording, or a screen recording, so you can access it through both of them. And whatever you will do right. There we go, I'm gonna mute this. So there we go, not much, but there it is. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.